This Boeing 747 destroying the terrain next to the runway while taking off. And while we watch, I have something to tell you. During the next couple of weeks, I will be giving away merchandise to you guys from the Aviation Central. The Aviation Central has the best aviation merchandise and products. Just look at these designs, they look so clean. And these hats will be releasing soon, so keep an eye out for those. All you have to do to enter the giveaway and possibly win a random item is visit the store, comment down below what you think of it and what your favorite item is. And I will pick one of the comments and contact you. If you don't want to risk missing out, go get something from the Aviation Central right now and you'll get free shipping if you get something over 50 bucks. That's all I wanted to say. I'll link the Aviation Central in the description. Join the giveaway and let's keep watching. The runway recently had new sod put down next to it, and that was no match for the powerful 747. This F-15 was taking off when suddenly it had a compressor stall, causing flames to shoot out of the engine. Luckily, the pilot could still abort the takeoff and no one was injured. This Boeing 747 struck a bird while taking off from an airport in India. This Boeing 737 had a tail strike while taking off from Iceland, as you can hear by the distinct sound. In most cases, the plane would return back to the airport, but in this case, the pilots decided to continue to their destination. This Airbus A330 hit a light pole while taxiing. Even though this wasn't during takeoff, it was close to it and resulted in minor damage, but luckily no one was injured. This Boeing 727 was overloaded and took off at the last second, spraying debris onto people at the end of the runway. This Boeing 777 aborting its takeoff and applying full rudder. This led to the plane literally drifting across the runway. This Boeing 737 took off but turned too much, causing the bank angle alarm to go off.
Bank angle.
This Boeing 737 was too heavy and could barely take off before the end of the runway. Now up next are some honorable mentions. This Airbus A350 struggling to take off as it only has one functioning engine and half its usual power. This was a test at the Airbus factory, simulating an engine failure. Now, I'm not saying this is a fail, but it certainly is an unusual takeoff. This Boeing 777X doing a very steep takeoff, like a fighter jet, and then some steep turns. This was at an air show and the plane didn't have any passengers. This Boeing 787 was taking off from Poland but had to abort due to a problem with its right engine. And those are just some of the takeoff fails from the series. You can go watch more on my channel. Remember to check out the Aviation Central.